Okay, here is the interesting part. So Google Gemini Omni own documentation says that it is difficult to achieve the complex motion using the text prompt. And this is right. If you are trying to achieve the complex motion using the text prompt only, then you will definitely lose lot of credits. But here is one feature that most of the people ignore, that Gemini Omni can accept the reference videos as well. And it can mimic the camera movement and also the subject movement, and this is what the result you can achieve. So let's see how we can do it. So I achieved this video by uploading my own recorded video, and this 3D character of a boy mimic exactly my actions and also camera angle. So how we can do it? To do that, first we need to take help of ChatGPT. I will create a character sheet of a boy over here. So I will write down a prompt that create a character sheet of a boy who is wearing oversized t-shirt, jeans, and let's see what it will create. So one thing which I try to maintain over here is that the clothing and some of the features of a boy should match to the reference video as well. So here we got the character sheet of a boy with all the angles, which is looking pretty good. Now let's create a background for this. So I will create a background of a corridor, and you can see this is a clean background is created of a corridor, and I just wanted to show that boy is walking through that corridor. Now as a next step, what I will do, I will download both the images, character sheet and the background, and I will upload it to the Google Flow. So before going to the Google Flow, what I did over here is, as you can see, so I shoot my own video with a same angle and some motions in it so it can mimic my action. But here you need to trim that video. So make sure the length of this video should be accurate to the output of the video. So it will also know that it need to fit the overall action within that time frame only. So what I will do, I will just open this video and I will trim this video using QuickTime Player. Now my video is ready. What I'm going to do here is I will upload that video to the ChatGPT and tell that I just wanted to create a video using this video as a reference. So it should mimic the camera angle and all the motions of the character and apply it to my 3D character. And I just want your help in writing the prompt. So let's see what type of prompt it will write for a Google Gemini Omni. So as you can see here that it created a prompt with all the details in it, like camera details, what should be the animation, what it should follow, the overall action and everything. Now I will go inside a Google Flow and start creating that video. So before I start, I need to upload all the assets. So first I will upload the character sheet, background and the reference video as well. So I will paste prompt which ChatGPT created, and I will also attach all the references. And here is the result. Let's see how it will look. The boy's overall action is exactly matching to the reference video. One thing which you also notice that I maintain the similar camera angle, same kind of a body posture as well. That's why it copied the motion really well. But the one thing, as you also notice, the top and bottom of the video is getting cropped. Why? Because my reference video is in a vertical 9:16 ratio, and I'm creating a video in a 16:9 ratio. So I need to make the reverse proportion. And let's see. So here is the new video. All right, as you can see, it is exactly matching my overall action. I understand that 5 to 10% of the action is not matching over here, but as you can see, it almost match exact motion and the camera angle as well. So here, with the help of this motion reference video, you can save a lot of credits because to create a complex motions is really a big task. It takes a lot of iteration and you will lose a lot of credits in that. But if you wanted to achieve those complex motion without typing a single line of a prompt, with the help of ChatGPT only, you can achieve this kind of output. So if you like this video, please subscribe me and see you in the next video. Thank you.